The Forminator form is the best among all the form builder tools available for WordPress. It gives a separate tab with customizing panel that is easy to use and understand. Element Pack has made it possible to use Forminator with our widget panel and get a dynamic customization window on Elementor. Let's see how it works. After installing the Forminator plugin through Element Pack dashboard, a new tab will open on your WP dashboard. Click on the name Forminator and click on Create button for the forms. You'll be asked to choose a template through a pop-up window. There's a blank form and pre-made templates on the display. Let's go with a contact form. Give a name to your form and click Create. There's already a bunch of fields on the form editor window that shows the layout of the final form. You can insert more as you want over the template. You can edit each field separately. Once you are finished here, click on the Publish button and your form is ready to deploy. Now, on the Elementor page editor, search for Forminator and insert the widget developed by Element Pack. From the Layout section, select the form you have designed through the dashboard. You can hide the default label if you want. Let's move on to the Style tab. The first section lets you customize the labels by changing the color, typography, and spacing. Next section is for the input and text area. Let's change their background color, add a thin layer of border, use border radius to bevel out corners and add some padding. You can use typography to change the style of the fonts. There are also color options for the hover mode. Again, the focus subsection lets you change the colors of the currently chosen input field. The Submit button is at the bottom of the form. Let's change its background color, text color, and border color to make something like this. Don't forget the hover mood colors. Now let's see what we made so far.